this video is very special to me because this video I'm going to work on my Corrado. It's sitting for a while now. It's sitting here like for
way too long.
Yeah, way too long. Man, look at this.
She's dirty.
Yeah, she's very dirty. So I'm going to take the car out of the shop, take it outside, going to wash it.
Yeah man, it's a beautiful day, so...
Yeah, it's a good day today. So I'm going to wash the car, bring it back inside and going to rip that engine out. And this evening I will be starting by ripping the engine out or the gearbox.
Yeah, the transmission guy is coming, huh?
LSD differential inside the gearbox. A friend of mine, David, is going to help me this evening. So yeah man, very excited to finally work on my Corrado again, man.
It's back.
I have big plans for this car, but you guys are going to see, man.
Alright.
For sure. It's going to be a beast. So, just putting some air in the tires. Because the car is sitting for like 18 months. And right front was all flat.
Have to put a battery in the trunk so we can close the windows.
Or maybe we can wash the inside of the car immediately. So I use the pressure washer, you take the vacuum cleaner.
Yeah.
No, let's not do that. Right.
Yes. Let's roll, man. Yes, doe je het, hè?
Ja.
Een beetje alleen, alsjeblieft.
Ja, doe het. Volg dat.
En weer rechts, kom maar.
Ja, dat doe ik wel.
Hoppa, she's clean again.
Yeah man, she shines.
Shining like a star.
I'm so glad to see this car shine again, man. It was for so long sitting in that corner, covered with dust. So maybe it's nice to tell you guys some things about this car. I owned this car for like 5 years or more. I bought it with a G60. I swapped it into a TDI. Some guys are going to say, why swap a TDI in a Corrado, you're crazy.
It must be a G60 VR6 or whatever.
But I always say dare to be different. So I swapped it into a Corrado. And she's a beast, guys. She's a beast. And she's going to be even beastier.
How much is running now?
She was running now around 280 horsepower. And my goal is 350 or more. I'm also going to install nitrous, so it's going to be a real beast, guys. Full respray, black metallic pearl, 16-inch Brock B1s, 9G all four. Original electric Recaro XT interior, mint condition. Custom-made Louvre from Poland. It's all metal, very nice feature. Longer extended rear spoiler from Spoonfed, heck blend, carbon fiber from Mexico, USA spec from Bumper. Yeah, a lot of nice things about this car. The car is also getting new wheels. I'm not going to sell these wheels because these wheels are married with this car for over 20 years. So I'm going to keep the wheels, but I have a set of 17-inch custom-made 3-piece Sebring wheels. So the original 15-inch wheels from a G60, but custom made to 3-piece. So I think it's going to look very nice. Yeah man, I can't even wait to drive it again, man. So I'm going to take the engine out, push it on the lift, take the engine out, and let's the rebuild begin, man.
Yeah man, quick time lapse.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Let's go. So guys, I took my front off and I thought it would be fun to tell you guys about my radiator and intercooler setup. So of course this radiator here is for the coolant system of my engine. I have another radiator here on the front and this is for my air to water intercooler system. So it's a complete standalone system with its own water pump, and I'm very glad with the efficiency of this intercooler setup. It works perfect and it also looks nice. I also saw that Helder Puto last year upgraded his Ibiza to an air-to-water intercooler system, but he is using Icebox, another radiator. So I'm also considering to upgrade my Corrado into an Icebox, but I'm going to put it in the trunk, especially for drag racing. So shout out to Helder Puto, and he's building a lot of crazy fast TDIs, especially for drag racing. So go and look up Helder Puto Performance on YouTube. And also another YouTuber from the UK, Crispy's Project. He's also building a TDI into his Corrado. So if you are into Corrados and TDIs, go and look up Crispy's Projects and Helder Puto Performance. So shout out to you guys, and let's go back on ripping the engine out, man. Let's go! So guys,
now I break my neck.
So I took the engine out and I'm going to put the engine in my corner and prepare this engine for its new upgrades. So yeah man, it's enough for today. It's very late. See you guys tomorrow. Er zal geen copyright op zitten. So guys, yesterday I took out my engine from the Corrado, and Bolus is helping me out with welding some holes in the engine bay of the MK1, and David is also helping me with putting an LSD differential in the gearbox of the Corrado. So I'm now going to pull off the engine or the transmission from the engine, and yeah man, let's go guys. Henry. So we are going to put the LSD differential in my gearbox. Quave LSD differential. Took another gearbox apart that I had laying around. It was originally meant for my 16 valve for the MK2 GTI that's on the Addict. So putting new ARP bolts into the differential. Bale is making a lot of noise. He's busy with the engine bay of the MK1. And I already cleaned up the whole gearbox, the gearbox housing and all the wheels and everything. So the differential is almost ready to be fitted in the gearbox. So quick update, let's go guys.
Zeker dat je goede ringen op hebt gezet.
Nice. So guys, we put new bearings into the gearbox housing, and the Quave LSD differential, it's mounted in the gearbox. So now we are almost ready to mount everything back. Or not, David?
Yes, finally.
Finally, man.
Everything is gonna be alright. Dus wat kut is, als je dichtgeplakt zit en er dan achterkomt dat je iets vergeten bent.
So guys, the gearbox is reassembled again, and I'm very glad that David helped me out with putting the LSD differential in the gearbox. So I only have to buy new seals so I can mount the flanges, fill it up with some oil, and then it's ready to use. And also behind me, of course, you see both engines on the stand. The TDI engine from the Corrado, and of course the VR6 engine from the MK1. The TDI engine is going to be fully rebuilt, so connecting rods, pistons, supporting the head, camshaft, injectors, custom made turbo. Going to be a very decent build, guys. I think Gino from Skilla Turbo is going to send me the connecting rods and the custom made turbo from Portugal, I think on Monday. So this will be the last parts that I need for this engine. And the VR6 engine is going to be mainly cosmetical because this engine is in very good condition. Of course, going to check the timing chain and everything, but going to take off all the parts, respray the parts, and making this engine look pretty again when the MK1 is coming back from the painter. Also, Boilers did some nice work on the engine bay with filling up all the holes. It already has that shaped look that we are looking for. So very happy also how far we came on the MK1. And maybe we can take the Purple Golf on its first test drive next week. We will see. So if you didn't subscribe to my channel, feel free to subscribe and leave a nice comment below and spam that like button. So thanks you guys for watching and see you in the next one. Ciao!